So I've got this little compact power washer here. You can see the different nozzles that you have on there for the different amounts of pressure. I'm going to go ahead and put one of the tips on here and power wash off my deck. All right, I'm going to turn this on. And I've got my hose hooked up. It has a nice long hose on it. And it works great. It's got wheels here so that it can easily roll from one area to another. Has a little area here for you to put the nozzle. Has areas for you to put the outlet. Very portable as well.